If you are preparing for UPSC Civil Services, then you would be aware of this crucial subject in your UPSC mains. That is Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, your GS paper 4. This paper isn't just about scoring marks. It is there to impart in you certain ethical competencies as a civil servant. This subject, think critically, act responsibly, and uphold integrity for the rest of your life. And therefore, it is more about gaining a perspective rather than just scoring marks. From a UPSC exam point of view, this particular subject has a weightage of 250 marks, and along with it, it has a great relevance in writing essay, especially one essay at least of 125 marks. Because part A of your essay is purely philosophical in nature, which we in our experience have felt that students are finding it difficult to gain a perspective and write, especially when it comes for a philosophical essay. And therefore, studying for ethics will definitely give you an edge for your essay as well. And in order to facilitate your preparation and to help you break the mold of ethics, we are launching a course called as the ABC of Ethics. Here I will break down the component of this, where we have divided this into 3 parts. The A part is about theorizing ethics, where you'll be learning about the philosophical natures of certain ideas, how ethics came to be, ethics in human interface, what is attitude. These syllabus areas will be covered in the first part, which I will handle. And the B part is about administrative ethics, which will be handled by our faculty, Suresh Kumar, where he will be guiding you into understanding certain concepts such as the values of a civil servant, probity in governance, etc. As for C part, which is the major highlight of this program, you will be guided by the beacon of integrity, a person who has gained a reputation for handling his governance and his role as a civil servant with much ethical character, Sagayam IAS and former District Collector of Madurai. He will share with you his insights and share his first-hand experience about administrative ethics and case studies, which we believe will help you navigate the complexities of a case study. This will be a 2-day workshop which will be conducted by him. Apart from this lecture series, we are also focusing on a 30-day study plan. Let me explain the rationale behind it. What we notice among aspirants is that they attend the classes, but they fail to follow it up. So what we are doing is, in order to help you consolidate and concretize your preparation, we will put a planner, a 30-day planner, where you will be given small tasks to complete. We will prescribe certain books to you. So preferably as of now, you will be either buying this book, the Decode Ethics book, or the Lexicon book. Based on the availability and whatever book you prefer, you can get it. And every day we will be assigning tasks and you have to study that. This will give you an accountability. And through this, what we will be able to achieve at the end of this program is that in a month's time, you would have had certain fruitful discussions on ethics, you would have studied and you would have consolidated. We will engage with you through a mentorship program, give you certain answer writing practices so that you may not fall out. This is our plan for you. And if you feel that you have not studied ethics well, make use of this program. This program starts on the 30th. So 30 and 31st, these 2 days will be open to all. The registration link will be given in the description. Kindly fill your details if you are interested about this course. Join this class and secure this paper 4.